Zahara finds the culprit behind her scandal-drunk video. After videos of a visibly intoxicated Zahara went viral, her image got tainted just a tad bit, with people forgetting the immense talent she has. YouTuber Sulfan Duca took to Twitter to express how Zahara is not celebrated enough in the industry. Zahara is not celebrated enough. Her numbers are insane. I'm tweeting from her house, and she has awarded all over the house. Platinum on platinum on platinum, he wrote. Casper Nyovest then slammed cancel culture, saying South Africans do not celebrate our living artists enough. He says people have the mentality to destroy and not preserve. South Africa doesn't have a culture of preserving, we have a culture of destroying. All that is good must perish. We love to replace, not to embrace, he commented. Ever since her album Gabiam got released, the timeline has been celebrating Zahara and how much they appreciate her music and artistry. Ignoring the backlash she received after the drunk videos of her singing and botching her own lyrics went viral, Zahara defended herself, saying she was extremely happy at that moment. I was very happy at that moment and I stand behind my vocals. Have a blessed Sunday, she tweeted. DJ Mafrasa even defended her and said the people surrounding her are trying to sabotage her, hence she needs help. Don't play with Zahara, please. The person who posted that video is wicked. She's going through a lot, she needs help. Sorta Africa can be useless sometimes. Sorta stops this thing of bringing down people. Help, 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 he exclaimed. This unfortunate incident would not have taken place if it wasn't for the alleged fallout she and her manager had. According to Daily Sun, Zahara has fired her manager, who is also a close family. Zahara has signed to a new record label, Warner Music, and that meant she needed a change of scenery. That includes apparently firing her cousin manager Royama Diasiba. A source told the publication that she has even kicked Royama out of her house. People close to her say Zahara needs to check herself and try to work things out because Royama got her to where she is now. When it comes to her reputation, sources say the drunk video would not have circulated if it wasn't for Royama, as he had worked tirelessly to keep her reputation clean.
Yeah.